Today we're going to be looking at how you can export your models out of Gravity Sketch as control meshes so you can keep working on them in other programs. So just simply go to the export menu and the switch off to the right, change it from render mesh to control mesh. And make sure you are using the OBJ model export. Click export, and then open up your poly modeling program of choice. In this case, it's Blender. Go to the File tab and choose the OBJ import option. Navigate to your file and bring it into your scene. Once you have your model in your scene, you'll notice that it's in a low poly mode. This is similar to the low poly version you would see inside Gravity Sketch. And these points are actually the original control points that you would have inside of Gravity Sketch. So if we go down to the Object tab here and change the shading to flat shading, we can see the low poly version. In order to see this in its smooth mode, we want to go over to the Modifier tab off to the right, indicated by a wrench icon. We'll click that, and we'll go to the drop-down and choose Subdivision Surface Modifier. This will give us a preview of our subdivided mesh, being able to turn it off and on later. So as you can see now, the model is completely smooth. But if we go into Edit mode, you'll notice that we can continue editing the points. So we still have our low poly points that we can pull around, while also seeing the smoothed version underneath, similar to what you would see inside Gravity Sketch. And this is the power of exporting as a control mesh because it gives you the ability to keep working on the original model that you made inside Gravity Sketch. So if we go to the smooth mode here and just turn on flat shading, we can see how it's actually subdivided our mesh. And if we just right click on our model and switch the shading back to smooth, we can see the fully smooth model. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope this is helpful. Find more training content like this on our YouTube channel.